Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to crochet a 3-chain I-cord. It's a thin but sturdy cord and has a good amount of stretch. It's quite simple once you try it out and get going, and it can be used in lots of ways in crochet projects. The I-cords that I'll be showing you today are going to be used as arms for a doll. To begin, you will need yarn and a crochet hook. I am using a 2.75 millimeter hook, which is a size C. Chain 3 to start. Insert your hook into the second chain from the hook. Yarn over, pull up a loop, insert your hook into the next chain, yarn over, and pull up a loop. You should have 3 loops on your hook. Row 1, which will be the same as all rows throughout, begins like this. Drop 2 loops from your hook, but hold on to them tightly with your non-hook hand so that they do not come undone. Yarn over, pull through the loop on your hook. Insert your hook into the first dropped loop. Yarn over and pull through. This will give you 2 loops on the hook. Then insert your hook into the second dropped loop. Yarn over and pull through. This will give you 3 loops on your hook. That concludes row 1, and you're going to do the same for row 2 and onwards. So remember, drop 2 loops from your hook, hold on to them tightly, yarn over, pull through loop on your hook, insert hook into the first dropped loop, yarn over and pull through, insert hook into the second dropped loop, yarn over and pull through for 3 loops on your hook. We'll repeat that again. So drop 2 loops, yarn over, pull loop through your hook, insert hook into the first dropped loop, yarn over and pull through, insert hook into the second dropped loop, yarn over and pull through. You will have 3 loops on your hook. I went up to row 16 for my I-cord. I'm going to go ahead and count to double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. To finish, all you have to do is yarn over and pull through all 3 loops on your hook. You fasten off by cutting the ends, pull through, you can insert your hook through the I-cord, take the starting end of the yarn tail and pull that through. Tail's a little long, so we're going to try that again. A little further down the I-cord, going to wiggle that hook in and pull the yarn end through. There we are. And there you have it, you are done with your I-cord. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any comments or questions, please feel free to drop it in the comment box below. If you like this video, feel free to give it a thumbs up as well. Happy crocheting!